how to create or add a second Gmail address. Hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how you can create or add a second Gmail address on your laptop. So let's get started. So at first you will have to open a browser on your system. So simply I'm opening the Chrome browser, and from here you will have to type gmail.com. Okay, so after opening the gmail.com, you will have to click on your profile section just at the top right corner of your screen. So simply click on this profile section, and from here you will got the options like add account. So simply click on this add account option. Okay, so we are adding the second Gmail account here. So simply you can add second account by adding an existing Google accounts, or you can create a new account from here. So simply to create a new account, you will have to click on this create new account options. So now on this, I'm adding an existing Google account on this. So simply I'm typing that account. Okay, so after that, you will have to enter your password from here. All right, so now you can see I have successfully added a second Gmail account on this Gmail. So to view that, you will have to again click on your profile section. And here you can see the second Gmail address has been added to my account. So like you can see now I have the access of two Gmail address on this account. So simply you can see. Okay, so likewise, you can also create or add a second Gmail address to your Gmail. So that's all. If this video was helpful to you, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon over there for more short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.